As you see, we reject this false buy signal and didn't stop for this reason. In today's video, we will backtest most powerful strategy for day trading and scalping. This strategy exactly avoids the range market, and so this strategy finds trend markets and give buy sell signals in trend markets. And second indicator, confirmation indicator that avoid lots of false signals. Let's go to the setup. To find first indicator, we go to the indicators tab and write range filter and sell 5 minute. This indicator, we add this indicator to our chart. The settings of the first indicators remains the same, and to avoid false signals like these, we add the second indicator. The name of this indicator is CCI channel, commodity channel index indicator. You can search it like this, CCI. It's technicals indicator. After adding this indicator, we go to the settings. The most important settings is this length. We make it 100, and style section we make upper band 50 and lower band -50. That's all the setup. How this indicator gives signal. To get a signal, first we need to get buy or sell signal from first indicator. As you see here, first indicator gives here buy signal, and if the line of second indicator is below this 50 line, it confirms buy signal. If this line is below this -50 line and continue, it gives short confirmation signal. But if this line continues between this -50 and 50 line, it shows it's in market. So we don't get a signal while it's around here. So first indicator gives buy signal here, and second indicator confirms this signal because the line is above this 50 line. I take here buy position when this candle forms, and where we put the stop. Actually, the stop distance can be below this middle line, or if lower band near this entry point, the stop can be placed here as well. Here is the distance between entry point and middle line is okay. I put the stop below this middle line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. As you see here, this signal is successful signal. Let me show you short signal, and then we will backtest these some signals with you. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video thumbs up, like the video, and you can share this strategy with your friend. Let's see the short signal. As you see here, first indicator gives both buy signal and sell signal, and second indicator just gives sell confirmation signal because this line, this -50 line, and when this line continues below this -50 line, we just looking for sell signal. Here we will look at and pay attention to just sell signal. First indicator gives sell signal, and second indicator confirms this signal. I take here short position and put the stop above this middle line, as you see here, this blue middle line, and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. As you see, we reject this false buy signal and didn't stop for this reason. Let's backtest with you some signals in a row. Alright, let's go on. Here the market here first indicator gives sell signal, but second indicator's line is above this 50 line, and we should just pay attention just buy signal. Here first indicator gives buy signal, and the second indicator confirms this signal. I take here buy position, I put the stop below this middle line and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Let's see the result. The signal is successful, as you see here. Then we get here sell signal, but second indicator doesn't confirm this signal. Let's go on. Here, this first indicator gives buy signal and second indicator's line is above this 50 line. It confirms this signal. I take here buy position. I put the stop below the middle line and make risk-reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Let's see the result. The signal is also successful signal. Here we get sell signal, but second indicator doesn't confirm this signal. Here we get buy signal. The second indicator confirms this signal because this line is above 50 line. I take here buy position when this candle forms and put the stop below this middle line and make risk-reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5. Let's see the result. We stopped on this position. As you see here, there is no 100 guaranteed strategy even if this indicator is most powerful indicator. Losing trades are always part of trading. You should expect this because no indicator or strategy gives you 100% guaranteed signals. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. You can like this video and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comments. See you guys in the next video.